Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to file an extension on TurboTax. All right, so let's begin with the video. The process is quite simple. Start by going to the upper right corner of the screen and clicking on the Help button. This will open an AI chat assistant. In the chat, type something like extension, and the assistant should provide you with a direct link to file your extension. Once you receive the response, you'll typically see an option related to filing a tax extension. From there, TurboTax may offer tools like Easy Extension, which allows you to electronically file your federal extension. Click on the filing extension link, and it will take you to the correct page where you can begin the process. You'll usually have the option to extend your filing deadline until October 15, and the process can often be started for free in just a few minutes. Simply click on Start Easy Extension and follow the steps provided. In general, you can use the AI assistant to quickly guide you to the right place by typing what you need, and it will give you the appropriate link to proceed with filing your extension. And that's it. So that's basically how you can file an extension on TurboTax. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.